Good morning, vlog fam. So it's currently 9:15, and today's the day of the trip. So I asked you on my Instagram if you wanted me to vlog the trip that we're going on this weekend. We're going to BELA-BELA, and you guys said yes, and I was secretly hoping you'd say no, but you didn't. So I'm gonna vlog. We're supposed to leave now to get a couple of last minute things and to fix a couple of last minute things, but don't mind my hair, please. I didn't just wake up, but it's still pretty early. So let me show you my outfit really quickly, and then we'll start the vlog. Okay, so here's the outfit. It's just a plain top and black shorts. Yeah, it's pretty hot, but I'm rocking with autumn this year. So on the agenda today, we're going to multi-choice because the Dakota is acting up. And then we're going to Miss Price's home, which is where I spend 90% of my money all the time, which is so annoying. But their stuff are so cute. So we're going there, and then we're gonna get back. I packed yesterday, everything's done, my bed is cleared. Yep, I did that. Slept at 1 a.m., but still, it's done. And then I'm gonna get some last minute things before we leave. Let's go. Okay, outfit change real quick. I just put a gray top on instead of the pink one. I just like the aesthetic, better. Same family, I'm gonna do my hair. What's up, vlog? So it's way later in the day. It's like 2 o'clock, and we went to multi-choice. We went to Mr. Price's home for some stuff, and then we went to go get some food. We're having pizza, but we leave at around 5:36. You can tell I'm really bad at this vlog thing because I haven't done it in so long. So this is just an update, like a check-in. Hopefully I vlog way more than just me checking in. We're at my mom just went into Clicks now, and she's just getting some stuff for in case. But yeah, I'm gonna go home now. After this, I'm gonna wash my hair because it's pretty janky. So I'm gonna wash that and then hopefully edit a video and hopefully upload it before we leave. But I'm not sure it's gonna happen, and I don't want to take my laptop with me. But I will check in again later, and maybe you'll actually see someone other than me. But then again, who else do you need to see? I mean, I'm all you need. I'll see you guys later. Hi vlog. So don't hate me, okay? It's like a little later. I did my hair. If it wasn't evident, I did do it. You see, I did it myself, okay? So don't judge me. Anyway, it's like past 6 and we're supposed to leave now. We're supposed to have left. We're waiting for someone, and yeah, we're leaving. I'll hopefully get more footage tomorrow. Today was literally just leaving day, okay? Sorry for the gum, but life. My dad's far from thrilled that we're leaving. He cares. I'm kidding. So hopefully it's fun. I'm not thrilled either, but I'm going into it with a mildly open mind. It's about yay big the gate. Ciao. Hey guys. Okay, just walk into me, sir. Hey guys, so we just stopped at the busiest garage I've ever seen in my entire life. It is insanity over here. We're on our way. We're almost not there, okay? But we're going. Hopefully we get there. It is so packed, you guys. Like, it's insane. But I'm reading. I'm on the second book. I'm like so excited. Okay, but I'll check in again when we get to the place to where we're going. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, hold the phone tight now.
So it's Tuesday and I'm at the doctor with my sister. She's here for a checkup and I'm skipping school because I'm a bad person just in general. But greater good, we should blame it on greater good. Okay, so I'm not driving in the passenger seat. It feels great. Feels really nice. Let me back you up a little bit. So we're just here. We're at the hospital, very, very far away, like a 30-minute drive, 45 maybe.
We left home at 10 o'clock. It's 10:30. We're already here.
Oh, okay, 30-minute drive. Okay.
No, we were here at like 10 past 10.
Let's just say 30-minute drive. So we're waiting for her fiance. Waiting for her fiance to arrive. And then we're gonna go in. I don't know if I'll vlog inside. I don't know if that's allowed. I don't know hospital rules and regulations. I don't know. Okay, but I'm gonna get some real good information today. Maybe if all behaves. Mel, are you gonna behave, Mel? Okay, so yeah, we'll see what happens today. Cause I skipped school, it's probably gonna be an average day. But yeah. My skin looks really good. It doesn't look this good in person, trust. Okay guys, wow, sorry. Okay, we're at Macro Because we're looking for water. There's no water, you guys. Like, genuine problem. The whole Econoff explosion thing, it's taking our water. We have no water whatsoever. I don't know what we're gonna do. Water's finished at Macro. We're in the shitter. It's the fucking. It's the fucking. 750 liters of water. I don't know what we're gonna do with this. But it's here. All the water. Okay, so we've ordered as much water as we can. I think we're going over there next. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully we find more water. Look at the slides. Okay, on. Look at that dress. Son. Oh. So if your child's a boy, I'm not buying them anything. Okay?
We understand.
Trust and believe.
Look here.
Just only that.
Strong and brave.
No.
Strong
That black and white looks very chic.
I know.
That I love that.
Né?
Yeah, so get that.
I think Mama's gonna want to put her child in this, but it looks very nice.
It looks very nice. Looks nicer than the strong and brave.
Hello, Mom.
Hey you guys, so I just noticed that I never close out my vlogs, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog off right here so that the next one can flow more cohesively. This one was a bit choppy, but it's kind of all footage that I'm trying to piece together now. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all my other new videos that are coming up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.